Morning! Today is Emperor's Day, so we decided that we're gonna go into Tokyo to visit the Ghibli Studio Museum because I think Disneyland is going to be insane. There's already a humongous line that we can see outside our window of people waiting to go through security, and it looks a lot bigger than the line yesterday because there was no line at this time yesterday. And yeah, so we're gonna try and go to maybe a cat cafe and get some ramen and maybe go to Kittyland. It's gonna be an exciting day in Tokyo. First time going to Tokyo. Oh my gosh, so exciting. Let's go. If you do any research about going to Tokyo Disneyland, a lot of websites will tell you to avoid weekends and holidays because of the crowd levels. So we actually booked our tickets to Studio Ghibli way back in July, 6 months before this trip. And let's just take a moment to appreciate this. I think we made the right decision. Traveling around Tokyo can be quite daunting for a tourist. Two invaluable resources I used were 1, a portable Wi-Fi device. Free Wi-Fi is not very common in Japan. And 2, the Navitime for Japan travel app. This app will tell you how to get from one station to another, including multiple route options, exact train times, and exact fares. And bonus, Google Maps with GPS. It's easy to get lost. So, spent a few minutes trying to figure out where we're going, and I think I know. Maybe. We'll see. Hello Kitty traffic barrier. We found it! Since the cat cafe didn't open till 10 a.m., we decided to have breakfast at a soba restaurant that was just a few stores down. Restaurants in Tokyo, you order your meal choice from a vending machine and receive a ticket. You take the ticket up to the counter and they call your number when your meal is ready. Just be careful to look at the menu closely. This is what I thought I ordered, and this is what I actually ordered. Tough crowd. While you're relaxing with kitties, you can order drinks or read a book. Or or get some treats. These are definitely a crowd pleaser. I think it's afraid of the fur. Oh my god, that was so cute. You're sitting in a room with all the cats and they have this sleepy music on and it's so cute and comforting. Nice. On our way back towards Shinjuku Station, we spotted a Taito Station, and well, I had to take a look for something in particular. But first, purikura! When we were about to leave. Can't open it. We spent an hour in Taito Station because we found the Tsum Tsum game. So we don't have time to do the restaurant plans we had anymore. So we're just trying to find the hotel where we're meeting to go to the Ghibli Museum and then just finding food near there because we've already got lost about 3 times. Thank God for GPS.